you guys know how fast my hair can grow. I'm pretty sure from the last couple of videos you guys have been like, oh, and then now it's like, whoa. I'm getting ready to enjoy myself this evening. I'm going out and I need to do something to my hair. And right now it has grown out so much, and then it's kind of matted because I sleep on it. But it's grown out so much that the shape, I don't really care for this kind of shape. I like this shape, but I like the shape to be a little bit more closer, my size to be a little bit more closer. And if you guys probably don't notice, like back here, I'm trying to create a tail. So it's more so like that tapered faux hawk style is what I'm trying to do with my hair. So I'm just going to reshape it. So I'm not even going to touch the top of my hair. It's just more so me focusing on the sides. So what you will need if you are doing this on your own, because you don't want to go to the barbershop, and that's totally fine. You don't have to cut too close to your hair, but you will need 2 types of clippers. You're going to need some clippers. These are from Andis, or the brand name of these clippers are Andis. I've had them for a long time. You see they've scratched up and thrown them all around. And then I have wall is what you call them. These are trimmers. So clippers, trimmers. I think I'm going to invest in a different type of trimmers because they have one where the head looks like that, or I'll just find the head that looks like, you guys probably don't know what I mean, but when I do get it, you'll see. But you'll need a pair of clippers and trimmers. And along with the clippers and trimmers, you are going to need to have what we call tapered guards. The tapered guards look like this. They have this nice little slant to them. So these are taper guards. You're going to need a right ear and a left ear. That's what these are for. So you can see like the shape, and it gives you that when you use them. So this is a right, this is the right, this is the left. But for me, I actually use them the opposite way because I'm cutting my own hair. When a barber is cutting your hair and they're using taper guards, they will use the side based on if they're doing the right or the left. They will use the right or the left actual guard, not the opposite. It also doesn't hurt to find a pair of trimmers that also has taper guards as well. So you can see these have taper guards. You're gonna need, you don't need them for your trimmers, but this does help, especially if you're trying to get a little bit more just like right in here and keep a certain cut, or it's easier for you to move in slower motions. For me, I like to move in all one big sweep most of the time, so I use the large ones. So let me show you how I get started. When it's in an afro state, because it's the usual hairstyle I do when I have it cut in a tapered shape. My signature style happens to be that fro type style. So you can see my sizes. This is a lot. Yeah. So I detangle my hair, just water, try to get it afro and the curls and coils that are normally really packed inside my head out. And then I just focus on the sides. I'm not going to be working too much with the middle or touching the middle at all. I don't need to. So I'm going to start with the right ear guard, and I'm going to use it on my left side. It's tapered to the shape that I want, even though when I pull it out, you probably wondering like, is it gonna look like that when you style it? No, it'll come right on in. I still have all of my length at the top. It's a lot longer than it appears. But yeah, when I style it, it will definitely fit the shape that I need it to fit. You can see the back has that fishtail that I'm looking for. So yeah, that fishtail is there. So all I just focused on was just cutting my sides. And see, with natural hair, you can shape it however you need to. So if I wanted to put this into a fro, I can. But before I do anything, my next step is actually using my trimmers, and I'm using a smaller guard. So you have an option of using one of two types of guards. You can either choose to use the tapered guard. If you don't have a tapered guard, which in most cases with trimmers, sometimes they're not in the kits when you purchase them. You can purchase like trimmers and clippers from like a Walmart or Myers or anywhere where they have like hair section, or at the beauty supply store. But if you can't use a taper guard, use the number 2 or the number 1 guard for your smaller trimmers. This allows you to have a little bit more control in cleaning up certain areas. Like for me, I have like 2 long pieces that the taper guards just couldn't get when it came to my sideburns. So I'm just kind of pulling those out just a little bit, and I'm going to cut, well, I want to make all this noise when I'm talking to you, but I'm going to cut these down and then just kind of clean up whatever needs to be cleaned up, like a little bit more shaping if I feel like I need it, which I don't, but it's just to clean up closer to the edges of my hair. And then the last step I'll do is line me up. So that's it, guys. I know you say that I make things look so easy and so simple, but it is. However, I do hope that watching this video has helped you out a lot. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. This shows you exactly what my hair looks like after it has been styled using the Eco Styler gel. I do have videos on how I style my hair with the Eco Styler gel, including the kinky curly tube versus the kinky curly. So you can check those videos out. They will be linked at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.